Hello my friends! Welcome to my new tutorial. This time we will draw Vegeta. Like and share it with your friends. Support me by subscribe, click the bell, don't miss a video. Let's go! Before we start, let's make a list for the materials we need. Pencil, markers, eraser and so on. Draw two baselines. These will help you to draw easier. Start with the eyes and make him look angry. Why? Because he's Vegeta. Now draw the face parts, nose, ears, mouth and his head. The ears next to his eyes. Now we start to draw his neck. I draw Vegeta with 9 hair spikes. After that, his chest and his clothes. I chose a little side view. If you are happy with the pencil sketch, you can start inking the outlines with a black pen. I chose a 0.20 mm copic multiliner.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my streets. Yeah, high school was hard. You'd fight with my mom. I'd fall asleep to the screaming, sound machine always speaking, left emotional scars. Now I'm 21, a soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21, a soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21.
Before we erase, wait 5 minutes so the ink can dry. Shading the eyes and start coloring the black parts. I add some gray hair parts before the black coloring.
Yeah, I play you my favorite songs on a car ride while you list me all the people that left you in your life. Oh, oh, and you smoke on your chair while I was trying to sleep. I smell the smoke in the air, but that was normal for me. I didn't know. I didn't know. But now I'm 21, a soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from.
And now to the skin coloring. Start with the brightest tone. After that, shading with the midtone. The last shading is for the darkest parts.
That's 21. That's 21. Whoa, I'm 21.
And for the clothes, just like the skin, choose 3 colors, from bright to dark. The final part is adding some white highlights. And finish it! I hope I can help you with this one. I try to improve my tutorials step by step. I wish you all a great day. See ya at my next video.